Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about formal charge. Formal charge. Formal charge of the any compound is defined as the charge difference between the number of valence electron in free state and the number of electron assigned to the atom in a given Lewis structure is said to be formal charge. So the formal charge defined as difference between the number of valence electron in isolated or free state and the number of electrons assigned to that atom in the given Lewis structure. This is known as formal charge. Formal charge we explain by understanding one example, and the example is ozone molecule. Consider this is ozone molecule. Ozone O3 molecule. The equation of the formal charge is total number of valence electron in isolated or free state minus total number of non-bonding electrons minus 1 upon 2 total number of bonding electrons. We understand by taking example of ozone molecule, right? The structure of ozone is oxygen, another oxygen and another oxygen having double bonded characteristic. Here one electron, second, third, 4, 5. Here one electron, second, third, 4, 5 and 6 valence electron. Here one electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the structure of ozone. It is called Lewis dot structure of ozone molecule. For understanding, we mark here 1 for one oxygen. This is second oxygen, so we mark here 2. This is second number oxygen. Here we mark 3. So this is third number oxygen. We calculate formal charge. What is formal charge? Formal charge is the difference between total number of valence electron in free state or isolated state and the number of electrons in atom found in Lewis structure. This difference of electron is known as formal charge of the given atom in given molecules. So first of all, we calculate formal charge for oxygen 1. We calculate the formal charge for central atom oxygen, which mark as a 1. Formal charge for oxygen, which mark as 1, which mark as 1, right? This is N for this oxygen, right? Now formal charge equal to total number of valence electron in free or isolated state. The number of valence electron in free isolated state of the oxygen will be 6 because of 6 valence electrons seen in the oxygen atom. 6 minus total number of non-bonding electrons minus total number of non-bonding electrons. How many total number of non-bonding electrons here? 1, 2, right? So this is in two numbers minus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 into total number of bonding electrons. Bonding electron for this oxygen is 1 and second. There is 2 bond towards left hand side, 1 bond towards right hand side. So how many bond? There is 3 bond, means 6 bonding electrons. 6 equal to 6 minus 2 means 4 minus 3 equal to 1. We can also write equal to plus 1. So the formal charge for central oxygen which marked as 1 acquired plus 1 charge. So the formal charge means what? The difference in the valence electron in free state and the number of electron present in the given Lewis structure. So they acquire plus 1 charge according to this theory. Now calculate for second oxygen, right? Formal charge for second oxygen atom, right? For the second means this one. Here oxygen, total number of valence electron in free state. How many electrons? 6 minus, because of this is the oxygen. So there is 6 valence electron in outermost cell. 6 minus total number of non-bonding electrons. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is 4 electron means 2 lone pair or 2 non-bonding electrons pair found in second in numbers 4. Therefore, number of non-bonding electrons is 4 minus 1 upon 2 total number of bonding electrons. This second oxygen has 2 bond with oxygen 1. So there is 4 bonding electrons found and therefore this is 4 equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So on the second oxygen atom it acquires 0 charge, right? Now calculate for third oxygen. Formal charge for third oxygen atom. For third oxygen atom, third one is here. Formal charge equal to number of valence electron in free or isolated state, which is 6 minus total number of non-bonding electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is 6 electron around the oxygen atom. Therefore, 6 minus 1 upon 2 total number of bonding electrons. Here only single covalent bond is seen. Therefore, bonding electrons will be 2 equal to 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So the third oxygen atom which marked as 3 acquire minus 1 charge.